A very good morning, students. In this video I'm going to explain activity based costing 6 marks problems, and this is problem number 1 for 6 marks, and this question was asked in the year 2019 question paper, that is previous year question paper for 6 marks. Let's get into the problem. A company manufactures two products X and Y using common facilities. The following cost data for a month are presented to you, and this is the information relating to two products. The first one, units producers, product X 5000 units and product Y 60,000 units. The next one, total machine hours for product X 20,000 hours and for product Y 1,20,000 hours. Total number of setups for product X 20 and for product Y 44. And total number of purchase order in product X 160 and in product Y 384. And the annual overhead cost as follows. Volume related activity rupees 5,50,000, setup related expenses rupees 8,20,000, and expenses relating to orders 6,18,000. So these are the total cost incurred to produce the product X and product Y. Now we need to calculate overhead cost per unit absorbed using activity based costing. Here we have to apply activity based costing. But in this problem, for your better understanding, I will explain both methods. One is traditional method and one is activity based costing method. But in your examination, you have to adopt only activity based costing. But for your better understanding, in this problem or in this video, I'm going to explain both methods. One is traditional and one is ABC. But for your examination purpose, follow only ABC method. So the first method is traditional costing method. So in traditional costing method, the total cost is entirely based on total machine hours or labor hour. Okay, you first calculate the total overheads. Okay, the total overheads will be volume related 5,50,000 plus setup related expenses 8,20,000 and plus order related expenses 6,18,000. So total overhead cost will be 19,88,000. This is the total overhead cost which are incurred to produce product X and product Y, that is 19,88,000. This total overhead cost is absorbed through machine hours in traditional costing method. In traditional method, the total overhead cost is based on machine hours or labor hours. So here what's the total labor hours or total machine hours? Total machine hours equals how much total machine hours for product X 20,000 and for product Y 1,20,000. So 20,000 plus 1,20,000. So total machine hours 1,40,000 hours. Now calculate overhead rate per hour. Overhead rate per hour. So total cost is how much? So total overhead divided by total machine hours. Total machine hours. So total overhead is 19,88,000 divided by total machine hours 1,40,000. So per hour will be rupees 14.2, nothing but 14 rupee 20 paisa. This is the overhead rate per hour. Now calculate overhead cost per unit using traditional costing system. Okay, one is product X and one is product Y. So calculate overhead cost. Overhead cost. So in traditional costing system, the entire overhead cost is absorbed through machine hours, total machine hours. So what's the total machine hours for product X? If product X is 20,000 hours and for product Y is 1,20,000 hours. So what's the overhead rate per hour? Overhead rate per hour is 14 rupee 20 paisa. So multiplied with 14 rupee 20 paisa. 14 rupee 20 paisa. You will get overhead cost under traditional system. So for product X 2,84,000 and for product Y 17,04,000. So total overhead cost. Total overhead cost. So for product X 2,84,000 for product Y 17,04,000. This is the total overhead cost under traditional method. But here they asked to calculate overhead cost per unit. Here we need to calculate cost per unit. So divided by number of units in order to calculate cost per unit. So product X number of units will be 5,000 units and for product Y 60,000 units. So product X divided by 5,000 units and product Y divided by 60,000 units. Now you will get overhead cost per unit. Overhead cost per unit. So 2,84,000 divided by 5,000 units. 5,000 units. 56 rupees 80 paisa. And for product Y, total overhead cost 17,04,000 divided by 60,000 units. Per unit will be 28 rupees 40 paisa. So this is the overhead cost per unit under traditional costing method. So I repeat, in traditional costing method, total all the overheads you will get 19,88,000. In traditional method, the total overhead cost is absorbed through machine hours. So here total machine hours will be 1,40,000 hours. Now calculate overhead rate per hour. So total overhead is based on total machine hours in traditional costing system. So total overhead is 19,88,000. Total machine hour is 1,40,000. Per hour will be 14 rupee 20 paisa. Now calculate overhead cost per unit under traditional costing method. So overhead cost, first write down overhead cost. So overhead cost is based on machine hours. So for X 20,000 hours, for Y 1,20,000 hours. So per hour we have calculated here 14 rupee 20 paisa multiplied by per hour 14 rupee 20 paisa. We will get 2,84,000 for product X and 17,04,000 for product Y. This is the total overhead cost under traditional costing system, and here we have to calculate per unit, rupees per unit. So divided by cost by number of units. So under X 5,000 units, under Y 60,000 units. You will get overhead cost per unit will be 56 rupee 80 paisa for X and 28 rupees 40 paisa for Y. So this is the method how to calculate overhead cost under traditional system. Now move on to ABC method. So in ABC method, the total cost is absorbed through activity wise. So in this problem, there are 3 activities. So the first activity is volume related activities, the second one setup related activities, and the third one ordering related activities. So here allocate cost based on activity wise. So what's the first activity? Volume related activity. So volume related activities how much? 5,50,000. So the formula for calculating driver rate for volume related activity. So volume related activity divided by, so what's the base for volume related activity? So the base for volume related activity is total machine hours. So for volume nothing but the number of units produced. Okay, for this cost the basis is total machine hours. So divided by volume related activity divided by total machine hours. Next, the second one, setup related activity. So the formula for setup related activity, setup cost divided by, what's the basis for setup cost? So your setup cost is 8,20,000. So the basis for setup cost is total number of setups. So setup cost divided by total number of setups. Total number of setups. So this is the second activity. And for third activity, expenses related to orders. So this is relating to ordering cost. So what's the basis for ordering cost? So total number of purchase order. So ordering cost divided by total number of orders. So this is the formula for calculating activity driver rates. So first calculate activity driver rates. What's the volume related activity cost? Volume related activity cost is 5,50,000. So 5,50,000 here. 5,50,000 divided by, this is based on total machine hour. Total machine hour will be 1,40,000 machine hours. Now the cost per volume is 5,50,000 divided by 1,40,000, ₹3.92. So this is the driver rate for volume related activity. Now the second one, setup related activity. What's the setup cost? The setup cost is so much? 8,20,000. So 8,20,000 divided by, this is based on number of setups. What's the total number of setup? Total number of setups for product X 20, for product Y 44. So 20 plus 44, 64. Now per setup will be, so 8,20,000 divided by 64. So per setup will be 12,812.5 rupee. This is the setup cost per unit. Now the last one, ordering cost. So formula, ordering cost divided by total number of orders. What's the ordering cost? Ordering cost is 6,18,000. So 6,18,000 divided by 6,18,000 divided by the total number of order is, the total number of orders. How much total number of orders for product X 160, for product Y 384. So total 544. So divided by 544. Now per order will be 6,18,000 divided by 544. So you will get rupees 1,136 rupees. So this is the activity driver rates for each activity. Now prepare overhead cost. Statement of overhead cost. This is a statement to prepare overhead cost per unit under ABC method. So here we are preparing overhead cost under ABC system. Here we should take activities. What's the first activity? First activity is volume related activity. So in particulars. Let us first one, volume related activity. So volume related activity is based on total number of machine hours. First the machine hours for product X. For product X 20,000 hours, and for product Y 1,20,000 hours. So what's the volume related cost per hour? 3 rupee 92 paisa. So multiplied by 3 rupee 92 paisa. Multiplied by 3 rupee 92 paisa. So you will get so 78,400 for product X and 4,70,400 for product Y. Now the second activity. So second activity, setup related cost. So the second activity is setup cost. So here setup cost is based on what? Setup cost is based on total number of setups. Now what's the total number of setups for product X and Y? For product X 20, for product Y 44. So for 20 for X and 44 for Y. So total number of setups 20 for X and 44 for Y. Now what's the setup cost per setup? Rupees 12,812.5. So multiplied by 12,812.5. Multiplied by 12,812.5. You will get 2,56,250 for X and 5,63,750 for Y. Now last activity. What's the last activity? Ordering cost. So activity number 3 is ordering cost. So ordering cost is based on what? Ordering cost is based on total number of orders. What's the total number of orders for X and Y? For X, total number of purchase order for X is 160 and for Y 384. So 160 then 384. 160 for X and 384 for Y. Now multiplied by with cost per order. What's the cost per order? Here we are calculated in ordering cost per order is 1,136 multiplied by 1,136. 1,136 and you will get 1,81,760 for X and for Y 4,36,224 for Y. Now all the activities are over. There are totally 3 activities. 3 activities were over. Now make total. So total overhead cost. Total overhead cost for X. Calculate all the 3 activities. 78,400 plus 2,56,250 plus 1,81,760. For X will be for X 5,16,410. For Y 14,70,374. This is the total overhead cost under ABC system. But here we need to calculate per unit, cost per unit. So divided by number of units. So divided by number of units. So number of units for X is 5,000 units. For Y will be 60,000 units. Now you will get overhead cost per unit will be for X 103 rupee per unit and for Y 24 rupee 50 paisa for product Y. This is the overhead cost per unit under ABC system. So in ABC system allocate cost based on activity. In this problem, there are three activities. One is volume related activity, setup related activity, and ordering related activity. Volume related activity is always based on machine hours. So divided by machine hours, you will get 3 rupee 92 paisa. And for setup cost, the basis is number of setups. So divided by total number of setups, you will get 12,812.5 per setup. And the last one, ordering cost, that is based on number of orders. You will get 1136 per order. Now calculate overhead cost under ABC system. The first one, volume related activity, that is based on machine hours. So 20,000 hours and 1,20,000 hours, and per hour we have calculated 3 rupee 92 paisa. And the second one, setup cost. So number of setup cost is based on number of setups. So number of setups in X is 20 and Y is 44. So per setup we have calculated here 12,812.5 multiplied by with, you will get setup cost. And the third one, ordering cost is based on number of orders, and number of orders in X is 160 and in Y is 384 multiplied by with the cost per order 1136. You will get ordering cost, and make total of all the three activities. You will get total overhead cost, and multiplied by with, divided by with number of units, you will get cost per unit. So this is the ABC system. In examination, you have to follow the ABC method and not the traditional system. For your understanding, I explained both traditional and ABC. But in examination, you have to follow ABC system. This one. You have to follow the ABC system. Now you can compare with ABC with traditional. In traditional method, product X cost is 56 rupees. But in ABC system, product X cost is 103 rupee. Okay. Here, the product A is under costed in traditional system. Here product Y cost is 28 rupee, but here product Y cost is 24 rupee. So the cost of product Y is over costed in traditional system. So this is traditional system and this is activity based system. In traditional system, the total cost is based on machine hours. But in ABC system, you have to allocate the cost based on activities. This is ABC method. This is ABC method. Thank you, students.